Woodpecker. 1. Woodpecker pecks trees to find insects. 2. It has a long sticky tongue. 3. Its beak is very strong. 4. It makes loud tapping sounds. 2. Swallow. 1. Swallows catch insects while flying. 2. They have long wings and a short beak. 3. They build mud nests. 4. They migrate in winter. Sparrow. 1. Sparrows love eating small insects. 2. They are tiny and brown. 3. They live near people. 4. They chirp very sweetly. 4. Robin. 1. Robins eat worms and bugs. 2. They have red chests. 3. They sing early in the morning. 4. Robins are great nest builders. 5. Bee eater. 1. This bird eats bees and wasps. 2. It is colorful and fast. 3. It removes the sting before eating. 4. They live in sandy burrows. 6. Nightjar. 1. Nightjars are active at night. 2. They eat flying insects. 3. Their feathers look like leaves. 4. They are very quiet flyers. Warbler. 1. Warblers love tiny bugs. 2. They sing beautiful songs. 3. They live in bushes and trees. 4. They are small and colorful. Flycatcher. 1. They catch insects in the air. 2. They have flat, wide beaks. 3. They are quick and smart. 4. They love sunny gardens. Nuthatch. 1. Nuthatches eat insects from tree bark. 2. They can climb down trees head first. 3. They have strong legs. 4. Their beaks are sharp. 10. Chickadee. 1. Chickadees eat insects and seeds. 2. They are small and fluffy. 3. They say, chickadee-dee-dee. 4. They store food for winter. 11. Wren. 1. Wrens eat tiny bugs. 2. They are small with upright tails. 3. They sing loudly. 4. They build dome-shaped nests. 12. Blackbird. 1. Blackbirds eat worms and beetles. 2. Males are black. Females are brown. 3. They sing sweet songs. They live in gardens. Hoopoe. 1. Hoopoes eat insects from the ground. 2. They have a crown of feathers. 3. They dig soil with their beak. 4. They are pinkish-orange. Cuckoo. 1. Cuckoos eat caterpillars and bugs. 2. They lay eggs in other birds' nests. 3. Their sound says, cuckoo. 4. They live in forests. 15. Thrush. 1. Thrushes love worms and snails. 2. They sing lovely tunes. 3. They live in woods. 4. They have spotted chests. Oriole. 1. Orioles eat insects and fruits. 2. They are bright orange and black. 3. They hang their nests like baskets. 4. They live in tall trees. 17. Titmouse. 1. It eats insects and seeds. 2. It is small and grey. 3. It sings in a high pitch. 4. It loves bird feeders. 18. Kingfisher. 1. Kingfishers eat insects and fish. 2. They have long beaks. 3. They dive into water. 4. They are blue and orange. 19. Swift. 1. Swifts eat flying bugs. 2. They spend most of life in the air. 3. They sleep while flying. 4. They have narrow wings. 20. Drongo. 1. Drongos eat flying insects. 2. They are black and shiny. 3. They mimic other birds. 4. They chase away predators.